Here's how to fix all Windows Media Player errors. First, open the Start menu and select Settings. From the navigation panel on the left, click on Apps. Then select Installed Apps. Use the search box at the top and type Media. You should now see the Media Player application in the results. Click the 3 horizontal dots next to Media Player and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you find the Terminate section and click the Terminate button to completely close the application. Next, scroll down to the Reset section. Start by clicking Repair and allow Windows a few moments to repair the application. Then, click the Reset button and confirm the action by selecting Reset again. After the reset process has finished, close the Settings window and launch Windows Media Player again to check whether the problem has been resolved. If you're still experiencing errors, open the Start menu again and go to Settings. From the left-hand navigation panel, select System, then scroll down and click on Optional Features. Here, click the blue View Features button. In the search box, type Windows and locate Windows Media Player Legacy from the results. Select it and click Remove. Windows will now uninstall the feature from your computer, so wait a few moments for the process to finish. Once Windows Media Player Legacy has been removed, select See Available Options. Use the search box to look for Windows Media Player Legacy. Select the appropriate feature from the results and click Add to reinstall it on your computer. Windows will now download and install the required files. Keep in mind that this process may take several minutes depending on your computer and internet connection. Reinstalling the feature should resolve many playback and application-related problems, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.